just having, Brandon and Kenzo and some of my other leadership out there, I think it helps to steady us. They understand the game, they understand the flow. They know when we, for example, need to kind of get in rhythm, maybe get into the basket, come up with a key rebound, get a good defensive stop. They're really good about communicating that with the other players.
Yeah, Brandon, he's like a brother to me. We've played together since 7th grade, so we've been together for almost 6 years, so we have a lot of good chemistry, and I love playing with him.
We're starting to click even more now that we're seniors, and we have to lead the team, so we know each other, and I know where he likes the ball, and he was knocking down shots, and we're playing well.
I think the leadership is big. They're vocal, through our practices, through our workouts, and also too in the game, but also with their actions. I think they're able to show a lot of the younger kids, hey, this is how it's done. And when you show people how it's done instead of just telling them, it's just a little bit more concrete.
We push our guys every night. We always tell them that we got to play like it's our last game, and we just got to go out there and get it.
Just be a vocal leader, try to get my team not take plays off, get in the paint, distribute, get buckets when we need them, and just be a leader, floor general, you could say.
They know that when the pressure's on them, they produce, they respond, and they've been around the game for a while, and so having them on the floor, it's just an extension of our coaching staff.